Good morning, children. As you all are aware that your first term examinations are going to start very soon, so we'll start with our revision. This this is your writing and grammar portion in front of you. I had taken just this much part for now. I have given few topics for your first term examination from writing grammar portion, that is comprehension, formal letter, analytical paragraph, tenses, models, subject verb concord. Under this tutorial there is a description box, and under description box I'll be attaching the links of your previous tutorials as well of the given topics, and also combined with this tutorial. Here I'll just revise the second topic, that is formal letter. We have done 4 formal letters. You have 4 formal letters in your 4 types of formal letters in your course. One is letter to the editor. Second, you have letter for inquiry. Then you have letter placing an order. Letter of complaint. So you have these 4 letters in your course. Here I'll just give you an example of letter to the editor first. Let's begin. Your question is, during monsoons, mosquitoes find safe places like stagnant water and piles of garbage for breeding. As a result, many cases of dengue fever in your city have been noticed. More than 1,000 victims have been hospitalized in different parts of the city. You are Varun/Varsha, a responsible citizen. Write a letter in about 100 to 120 words to the editor of a local daily. Remember, you will get in your questions, in some of the questions you get local daily. So local daily, this is not the name of the newspaper. You are going to write the name of the newspaper of your particular area that you get. So emphasizing the need to create awareness of the problem of dengue, its causes, prevention and treatment. So this is your question, that during monsoon season what happens, that there are a lot of mosquitoes, especially in the stagnant water and piles of garbage, and they breed. They breed in large numbers, and as a result what happens is that there are a lot of cases in your city that you have noticed. So you are Varsha or Varun, and you are writing a letter to the editor of a newspaper to create awareness of the problem of dengue, its causes, prevention and treatment. So first you will begin with what? You will begin with your own address, that is sender's address. Just write down whatever you would like, your own address. 198 Bhandewala, Dehradun. Leave a line after that, then write down the date here. 2nd September 2020. I would want you to write the date in this way whole. Okay. Then next you are going to write the editor and the name of the newspaper. The editor, remember that it should be capital. Make sure that it is in capital letter. The editor, the Times of India, Dehradun. Remember that whenever you write a letter, it has to stick to the left margin that you have in your notebook. Let me just, for example, draw a margin for you so that you don't get confused. So this is the margin which I have drawn. You already having a notebook. So this is how you're going to write the sender's address, date, receiver's address. Then after that you will write subject. Okay, and put a colon after that. And subject should not be more than 5 or 6 words. It has to be very precise and exactly to the point. No extra words to be written at all. So dengue prevention is better than cure. So this is just a small proverb that I have written. So this is the subject. Okay. Next we'll move further to write down sir, comma. Then you're not going to start from here. You will start directly from the left margin without leaving any space. Most of you, what you do is you start writing from here. And it's wrong. You're going to start writing from the very left margin without leaving any space. Okay. In the past month, so this is the introductory part. In the past month, an alarming increase in the past month, an alarming increase in the incidence of dengue cases in the city has been noticed, which is a cause for extreme concern. And demands immediate attention of the health care department, municipal corporation, as well as of the general public. Dengue is a viral infection caused by a group of viruses represented by DENV and that are transmitted from an infected to a healthy person when an Aedes mosquito bites. High fever is a discernible symptom and may lead of complications due to lowering of platelet count. Since the carrier mosquito breathes in stagnant water close to human habitations, cleanliness of the environment is immensely important and a key precaution for prevention. Awareness is immensely important to initiate preventive measures, and in this light, I hope my letter will be published for the common good of the people. This is the concluding part. Then you also be writing thanking you. Yours truly, Varsha, for girls and Varun for boys. Most of you make a mistake that you skip this concluding part. Most of you make mistakes and you forget writing thanking you. Then in the last part, yours truly. Remember, don't put apostrophe S. Apostrophe don't put here. It will come, S will come together with yours and truly. Truly T should be small. Varsha. So first, the introductory part. What is your concern is all about? You want the attention of which department through your letter? You want the attention of the public as well. Okay, so this is the introductory part. Then you will tell about the subject. What is the subject? You're going to further explain the subject of your letter. Then next you will write the cause and effect of the problem. You will write some measures as well. And then you will also be writing the concluding part by requesting the editor of the Times of India or the editor of the newspaper you're going to be mentioning in the letter that this letter must be published in your newspaper so that you can convey your message on behalf of other people also, so that the attention of the concerned department and the public should go on this issue and preventive measures should be taken for the betterment of the whole society. You'll also be writing thanking you. Then yours truly, Varsha. So this is the correct way of writing the letter. It has to be absolutely neat and clean, no mistakes, no cut marks, no scribbling of the pens, absolutely neat and clean. So this is an example of letter to the editor. Similarly, you all will be writing the letter for inquiry, letter of placing an order, letter of complaint in the same manner. Remember that sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, sir. This will come exactly the way it has been written here in all the letters. Okay.